Hello guys, in this video, I will show you how to change your Shopify theme without losing your content. Step 1. Log into your Shopify admin dashboard. Step 2. On the left sidebar, click Online Store and go to the Themes section. Step 3. Scroll down to the theme library and click the Explore Free Themes or Visit Theme Store to choose a new theme. Step 4. After selecting a theme, click Add or Try Theme to install it into your library. Step 5. Don't publish the new theme yet. Click Customize under the new theme in your theme library, and then Shopify will load it with a preview of your current content applied. Step 6. Adjust the settings, layout, and sections. Most of your content like products, pages, blogs, and collection stay safe because it's stored in your backend, not the theme itself. Step 7. Once you are satisfied with the look, return to the theme library and click Actions and then Publish. And that's it. So if this video helped you, feel free to like and subscribe for more quick tutorials, reviews, and comparison videos. Thank you for watching.